makes it easy to export your whiteboard sessions to save and share with others, either as a screenshot or as the entire whiteboard canvas. Go to the menu at the top of the toolbar and choose either Export PDF Screenshot to capture the current screen or Export PDF Canvas to capture your entire whiteboard canvas. Choose where you would like the file to be saved. You can save to the ActiveConnect device itself, a USB drive, or another application that you have installed, for example Google Drive. Once you have chosen a location, you may give it a title. Click Save to complete the export.